Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy Beezy back with another brand new video. Today we're gonna be trading as usual. Nothing new, nothing out of ordinary. So you feel me? It's gonna be a live trading video. So sit back, relax. Before we jump right into it, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification button. And if you want to see more of my live trades, click the Telegram channel. Links will be in the description. You see them live for yourself. You want to follow them? That's a choice for you. Everything is absolutely free. Click. Links will be in the description. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So gang, let's dive right into the chart. And as you can see, I haven't added anything to the page right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my moving average real quick. So over there, my stochastic oscillator, you know, that's how I like to move. Change that to 200 exponential moving average. That is what I'm on. And so we're on Euro USD as always. Remember last time we had a little bit of a, not gonna lie, it was tough. We missed out on some trades. We lost some money, but it's part of the game. Just another day, another session. I'm gonna start by looking at our higher time frames. So I'm going to start at M30, M1 to get a base of how the market has been moving. So first we can see the market has been moving downwards. You can see some good plays right now. Look for a nice place to scalp at 1 hour, 30 minutes, kind of the same. Strong downward trends. So when we go to M10, seeing it being pushed back a little. Now we've seen that the price has been pushed all the way down here, but we're still seeing it really struggling to gain control in our M10. So we're seeing it be pushed back a little. So this might be a nice place to scalp for like a buy, because we've seen it happen here. So if you were to go buy for a minute here, let me reduce that price a little bit before that price. I think you might be able to get, for 1 minute, I think that you could easily take profit on there just off the fact that you see that price being pushed off and you're expecting that next candle to be green or at least a little bit above that. Just look like a quick little thing that sometimes I look at just because I can see that repeat itself in the market, and we'll see if we can quickly scalp and take some profit off of that, just off of that 10-minute time frame. So as you can see, when we get to our 5 minute, which is what we're going to be working with, we can see that this is pretty much the same. You see a little bit of the price pushing up here, but we're quickly able to take profit on that 1 minute trade that we made. So first things first is trying to see a support, resistance. We could draw it up with horizontal lines. So we were able to take profit on that trade real quick. Just something to keep in mind. I see this also as a point just because we're going shorter time frame, so we might like to put, I like to put even recent points in the market as well. I'm gonna take this as the lowest point recently. So it's got another vertical line right there. Put it right here. Now we've seen changes, I think here, and now what I've basically done is I've broken the market down into sections, and right now this is the lowest point that I can see that the market has touched right here at 108.128. So right now, I'm looking at 5 minutes. I might dip down to 3 minutes just to see how close I got. But it seems like a call is the good thing to go. We could go long for 5 minutes, I think, for a call. Because you see that price bounce over here. But you can see how close that price has been going downwards. And we haven't even seen any earlier point in the market where it went as low, close right here. So that is a possibility. I'll put a marker here just so I see where it is exactly on the other side. See, not as close as we thought it would be for sure. So definitely a call is something you want to go in here. But just seeing how that price is still being pushed down, it's still a little sus in my opinion to enter into a trade like that. But when we go to a M1, we can see that that's kind of changing. So I think definitely if we're gonna scalp on here for the minute time frame, we need to see more movements because I don't like the way this is moving a little bit sideways. Despite the fact that our stochastic is showing very bullish here, we're going to oversold. I'm a little bit worried about this candle end up moving sideways, and that is a terrible market to trade. Just want to see it pull down a little bit more and then I enter into a call. I think that was a good spot. All right. So nice little entry right there for another 500 for that quick 1 minute. It's looking good overall. It's looking good overall. A couple of points above entry point. We're in the money. Definitely not close to the 2 bands that we lost. I mean, almost 3,000 that we lost last week. But coming in here and going 430 profit on our first trade and being able to reach that again for another 430 right now. I mean, we're out of the money a little bit, but we're just right in there. 3, 2, 1, took the profit. Nice. That's really good. That's really good right there. So that's 2 for 2. Now I want to see if we can continue to follow this trend upwards, because right now we don't really see any good indications this market is going to continue upwards for a long period of time. So this might be a situation where we see this run and then it flips down. As you can see, look how long that tail is. We don't see the price push past right where that candle was started. So there's a possibility that we see that price move down, and we can confirm this by looking at our high time frames. We see that it just kind of paused on its way down. It didn't really green, not on 30 minutes and not on 15 minutes as well. So this, if we wanted to go into a longer trade in this, you probably want to go into a call for 15 minutes or for 5 minutes here as well. I would think not a call, but a sell put. My bad. I'm spilling my words wrong today. So a put right here would be good. So that's pretty much it. Not gonna bore you off with too many things today. Cool little sessions, 2 trades. Both of them ended up in profit. You know, not like what happened on the 13th. As you can see, the results are all here for you to see. Look at our 13 trading compared to the 10th where we was balling, and the 17th we're able to, you know, make a little bit back out of the 3 grand that we lost, but we keep pushing. So don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification button so you know when a new video drops. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.